Hi. Transformations. That is being like a magician and turning one thing into something completely different. I'm going to show you how we can do that with a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of paper. Join me in the studio. Let's begin. Fold your paper into 4 parts and then cut them out with scissors. I decided to draw a pencil to start and turn it into a fish. What I'm going to do are take 2 papers, the first and last one. On the first page, I'm going to draw the pencil. And when I'm done, I'm going to number the last page, number 4, and I'll show you how to draw your final piece. We can use the first drawing to help us guide the very last drawing in the series. Put the 4th page on top and find a place to start. Since I'm drawing a fish, it seemed natural to use the point of the pencil for the front of the fish's mouth, and the eraser might become a pretty good tail. I add an eye and the mouth at the point of the tip of the pencil, and then add great big fins on the top and on the bottom, and add a little bit of decoration. Fill in the eye a little bit, and add a fin on the side. The final touch are the ribs of the fins and of the tail. And now it's time for numbers 2 and 3. Number 2 will look more pencil-like. Number 3 will look more fish-like, but not quite be a fish. I'm making the pencil, using the pencil as a guide, and making it a little bit wider. I'm adding a bit of a tail and the mouth, and I'm going to put a hint of the fins. And that's it. Number 3 has to look closer to the fish, but we still need to give it room to grow. I'm going to use number 2 as the guide this time, and I'm going to give the fish bigger fins and the gills, but I'm not going to add any detail. Adding color can be a lot of fun. Start with number 1 and end with number 4. I know pencils are yellow, and with a pink eraser, a little bit of green on the edge there, and the ferrule and brown. For the fish, I decided I wanted to use blues, greens, and oranges. Since the body of the pencil is yellow, it would be easier to turn the fish into orange than a cool color. So I used the blues and the greens and the aquas for the fins. And again, I like using black to outline because it really makes the colors pop. I kept the colors of number 2 pretty close to the color of the pencil, but I added a little pinkish purple for the tail and a touch of the aqua. For number 3, I'm going to start turning the yellows a little bit more orange, and you can see the fins are a little bit bigger and they're getting a little brighter blue. The marking at the tail is getting a little bit more bluish and not green like the ferrule. And again, the black outline really helps it pop. But there aren't as many details as number 3. Here are a few ideas for your transformations. You can change a letter of the alphabet into something that begins with that letter, or into something that looks like that letter, or into something else altogether. You can change a number into an animal, an object, plant, food, or flower, anything you like. You can also change any shape that you like into another shape or into a thing. You can change a tool into an animal, another tool, or into a plant, a tree, or something else. A piece of furniture might be something to change into an animal or another object, or anything you like. Fruits and vegetables can be changed into people, another object, or another fruit or vegetable. Just use your imagination. You can change anything you like into anything else that you want. Hi. So those were just a few ideas. There are so many things you could start with. Think about bicycles, cars, musical instruments, items of clothes, whatever you like, your toys. I am going to leave you with a few examples of work that artists have done who are older than you. It's a kind of drawing game that we like to play sometimes, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do. Feel free to add color. I think that kind of adds another layer of fun to the activity. But if you just want to leave yours in black and white or pencil, that's fine too. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see your work.